Salary is a drug. You enter into a company depending upon a boss, and you are always waiting for the next salary, and the next, and the next. And you arrive to be 30, 40, 50, 60, and probably you realize that you are in a prison. Be free. Be free. Dare. Risk. But never depend upon anybody or anything. It is your genius that has to come out. It is your integrity, which is already there. It's there in each of you that has to come out. You can become a millionaire, a billionaire, 17 years old, 16 years old. An idea. Just an idea. Spend all your time to catch that very thing which is within yourself. An idea. And you will govern. You will govern, and not